welcome back. My name is Alicia Ruprecht for those that are new here. I know it's been a while since I made a video, but I'm back, hoping to upload every Monday again. Monday, Tuesday, that was what I was doing before, so hoping to stick with that. Anyways, today I just thought I'd do a quick kind of glam look. I did try out the new Kaja Beauty Bento box trio, so that is what's on my lid. I honestly really did enjoy it. It was super pigmented and awesome. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow. Bye! Alright, so starting off with a little bit of the TATCHA Dewy Skin Cream. And next we're going in with the Banana Bright Primer. Okay, so next we're going in with the Cover FX Color Correcting Stick. Next we're going to go in with the YSL All Hours Foundation. Next up we're going in with the Cover FX Concealer. For setting powder, I'm going in with the Hourglass Mineral Veil Translucent Setting Powder. This one here. Alright, so the powder is baking under my eyes. I'm going to go in with the Huda Beauty Nude Palette, starting with Color Tickle. Next we're going to go in with Secret. Here. Gonna go in with this Beauty Bento box. Hopefully you can see it. It's by Kaja Beauty. I found it at Sephora in the States. I'm not sure if it's at Sephora in Canada yet, but it's super cute. This trio here. I'll show you. So super cute. It'll be my first time trying it. I swatched it on my arm and it did look really cute, so I'm excited to try it. So okay, so hopefully you can see, but the shadow, or sorry, the shimmer itself is super pigmented. I did use it with my finger. That's what it says to do on the box for best, I don't know, best use it on your finger. I really like it. I think it's really pretty. I think it'll be very fun for like the summertime. They did have a bunch of, like, they had a red and a copper palette as well as a nude, so definitely something to check out. But yeah, next we're taking the BECCA Light palette, followed by Hoola. I'm going in with the Hourglass palette here, taking the highlighter. Extra dimensional skin finish. Going in with the Benefit Gimme Brow. I use shade 1. And just gonna highlight the inner corner of my eyes with this guy here. I personally like to spray my face with setting spray before applying my lashes, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. The setting spray I use is the Urban Decay All Nighter. So my lashes are on, the glue is still wet, so I am just going to wait for the glue to dry before putting any mascara on. But in the meantime, I thought I'd go in with my lipstick, so starting off with MAC, and I'm going in with the lip liner in Whirl. So this is the finished look here. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, I hope that you stay tuned for more, and otherwise you don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow. Thanks so much.